Welcome back. If you're looking for something to make for Mother's Day's brunch, we got just the ideas for you. Angie Edge from Dairy Farmers of Wisconsin is here to share some ideas from her kitchen. Hi, Ange.
Hi, great to see you again, Mark.
Good to see you. So what do you got going here today?
Well, we have our brand new edition, our spring edition of our online magazine that's called Great Pair Share. And there's 4 easy quiche recipes that you can make for Mother's Day, since most people will be staying at home. And they're very easy and to customize with your favorite type of Wisconsin cheese. So today we're putting together a bacon and Gouda quiche that's absolutely delicious. I've already mixed together 8 eggs and also 3/4 cup of milk. And we're just going to add some ingredients. And like I said, you can customize this to your taste as long as you're adding, all Wisconsin cheese. And we also have a 3/4 cup of heavy cream. We have some delicious bacon as well that everybody loves. And then we're going to add some spinach. It gives it lots of great color and lots of great flavor. We have some sliced cherry tomatoes that we're going to add into our recipe. A little bit of salt and pepper to your liking. And then the last ingredient is 1/4 cup of Wisconsin Gouda cheese. So we're going to add that into our bowl as well. And the Gouda cheese has a nice mellow and sweet flavor, so it really melts great through the recipe. So once you get this all mixed together, you're going to bake it in the oven and put it in a pan and bake it for about 40 minutes. It's going to come out smelling wonderful and very colorful as well. So a great way to treat your mom maybe, or to make it for your family. I should say that the Gouda cheese that we use today is from the Roth Cheese Factory in southern Wisconsin. And during this time while everybody's at home, it's a great way to support our local dairy farmers by buying local Wisconsin cheeses. So this one is made locally, and it sources milk from local dairy farmers all within 60 miles. So Wisconsin makes a lot of great award-winning Gouda cheeses.
All right. It sounds delicious. I can't wait to try it someday. Happy Mother's Day.
I have to bring you some, and also online, our website, you'll find our recipe, and you'll find over 60 different companies that are selling Wisconsin cheese online if you're looking for some last Mother's Day gift ideas as well, Mark.
WisconsinCheese.org/order. Angie, we'll see you next time. Happy Mother's Day.